G'day everyone, welcome to another edition of What's New in EDU, where we bring you all the latest EDU updates from Microsoft. This month is National Dyslexia Awareness Month, and we have some big news from our very own CEO, Satya Nadella.
At Microsoft, we've made the pledge to support the Made by Dyslexia initiative.
Satya talked to Mitra, a mother to Anjay, who is a bright fourth grader. Anjay, like many others, experiences some specific literacy challenges due to dyslexia. Anjay found a solution that unlocked his potential, and for him, that solution was Microsoft Learning Tools. And today, Microsoft became the first company to sign the Made by Dyslexia pledge to support families like Mitra and Anjay and the 700 million people around the world with dyslexia. And that's why I work here. So what else is new? For you global collaborators out there, Skype-a-Thon is back next month. But first, let's kick it off to Mike to share some really awesome Office 365 updates, which support all students, but specifically those with literacy challenges like dyslexia.
Thanks, Mark. As part of this announcement, we're also excited to share a wave of product updates to the Microsoft Learning Tools family. Let me show you a few. So here I am in Word Online, and I'm going to click Dictate. Microsoft Word Online now supports dictation in the browser. This is also coming to OneNote Online very soon as well. We're also bringing the Immersive Reader to Flipgrid. So here's a topic in Flipgrid, and I click the icon and any student can launch that Immersive Reader. And this is now available for any student in the world. Next up, in OneNote for Windows 10 or OneNote Online, the Immersive Reader now supports math. So I can have equations and words and story problems all mixed together and have that read out loud. We've got real-time translation coming to the Immersive Reader. So I'm choosing Spanish, and I can do the entire document or just by word. I can click on a word now and see both Spanish and English and listen to both out loud. We're also bringing the Immersive Reader to Office Lens on Android. Now, in partnership with Made by Dyslexia, we'll also be building new and free training materials for teachers working with dyslexic students. These new materials will live on the Microsoft Educator community, so be on the lookout for that in the new year. Back to you, Mark.
Thanks, Mike. Now let's talk about some amazing events. Kelly, take it away.
Thanks, Mark. We're celebrating global learning again this year with our annual Skype-a-Thon. On November 13th and 14th, thousands of classrooms around the world will be connecting with each other over Skype to learn about other cultures and perspectives. But this year, we are so excited to announce that we're tying your students' journeys to real-world impact. For every 400 virtual miles you and your students travel using Skype during those 2 days, Microsoft will donate essential education resources to a child in need through our partnership with WE, supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 4. So we need you and your class to help us reach our goal of collectively traveling 14 million virtual miles in 48 hours in order to support up to 35,000 children living in 9 WE villages. Now that's having an impact. To join us for this free 2-day Skype-a-Thon adventure, simply go to skypeathon.com to register and get more information and resources for your class. And as you get started, please be sure to share your plans on social media using hashtag Skype-a-Thon to inspire others to learn and get involved. Let's join together to open the hearts and minds of students everywhere and make a real difference. Over to you, Mark.
Thanks, Kelly. And speaking of involvement, we're asking you to help us identify education changemakers from around the world, so we can celebrate and amplify their amazing work. If you have an inspiring educator you'd like to nominate, head to the link below to submit your story. In the meantime, another way we're celebrating changemakers is with our Hack the Classroom event. Tune in on Facebook Live beginning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Saturday, October the 27th to get in on all the fun. More information on how to sign up right here. And that wraps it up for this month's What's New in EDU. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, and share us with your fellow educators. We'll see you next time.